Hey guys, this is Sofik and you are watching RS platform. Today I'm going to show you how you can accept your all friend requests on Facebook at a one click. So first of all, you need to go your Facebook account, then use those link which I give you in the description link. First of all, go to the first link, which is facebook.com/requests.php. Then I'm going to enter that. So here is the friend request page. Here is the friend request page. Now copy the second link, second code, which is a HTML code. Copy it and right click on your mouse, then go to inspect, then click on the console option and paste the code here. After pressing, you just have to press the enter button. Look, all friend requests are accepting automatically. So it's a very easy trick. You don't have to waste your enough time to accept all friend requests. You can click, you can just use this code and within a few seconds your all friend request will be accepted automatically. So hope that you enjoy the video. Press a like button if you really enjoy it, press a unlike button if you don't like it,